All right. First of all, another round of applause for Leon. Thank you so much. That was amazing. So, Pyohio 2025. We had 205 attendees this weekend. We broke 200 this year. Last year we had 181, so thank you all for making this possible, and you are going to make me have to get a bigger room next year. Good problem to have. I want to give a huge thank you to a number of folks. Number one, our platinum sponsor, Meta. I hope you were able to chat with them this weekend and pick up a sticker. I want to thank Next Day Video, which was our videography team. You'll be able to experience all the talks you missed thanks to their work. Keep an eye on YouTube for the videos. They are coming up very soon. Thank you to our venue, Cleveland State University. They have been amazing to work with while getting ready for Pyohio for you, and incredibly helpful during the conference. It's been an amazing experience. Thank you to our fiscal sponsor, the Python Software Foundation. Thank you to our bronze coffee sponsor, Intellivations, for enabling us to be able to provide refreshments this weekend. A special thank you to our individual sponsors for helping to make this happen. I want to say thank you to our on-site volunteers. We cannot host Pyohio without help. I want a huge round of applause for these folks. And another huge round of applause for our organizers. I couldn't do this alone. I am able to bring you this conference because of this amazing team of people. Thank you so much to Alex, Anurag, Mike, Keith, Laura, and Dave. Pyohio is hosted by volunteers. If you'd like to be involved next year, please sign up for the mailing list. You'll find the link at pyohio.org/volunteer. We will not be talking about much of anything in the coming month and a half or so while we're all decompressing, but we will definitely be reaching out when we get closer to next year. So if you are interested in helping out, please let us know. We also need your help with sponsorship. Pyohio remains a free conference thanks to the generosity of our business and individual sponsors. We are here today because of the financial support of the companies and individuals I mentioned. We rely entirely on sponsorships and donations, which means we need sponsors to continue hosting Pyohio, and to that end, we need your help. Please consider asking your employer or company to sponsor. We aren't able to find every opportunity on our own, so your help is invaluable. We will have a prospectus for 2026 very soon. You can provide it along with your request. And if you have any questions or want help approaching this, please let us know. Email sponsorship@pyohio.org. One last chance for t-shirts and hoodies. We will have that fundraiser open for the next 3 days, so get them while you can. We did actually sell enough hoodies, so I don't need to guilt trip anyone this year. Thank you so much for being here and making this possible. You all make this worth it. So I have a question. Shall we do it again next year? I am delighted to announce Pyohio 2026. We will be getting together again July 25th and 26th next year. So thank you for being here, and see you in 2026. Disperse.